Hi future engineers, I'm Engineer Raymart Bonete, also known as Engineer Prof PH, a mechanical engineer, educator, and a content creator. In this video, we are going to learn on how to utilize Casio fx570 Plus 2nd edition in solving problems in dynamics of rigid bodies. For problem number 1, we have the velocity in meters per second of a falling ball is described by the equation v is equal to 32 plus t plus 60 squared. Determine the acceleration at time 3 seconds. To solve this problem, first, let's discuss some basic concept. Using Casio fx570 plus 2nd edition, we can solve for the derivative of velocity with respect to time at time 3 seconds. So substitute the velocity equation from the problem. So first step, press mode 1. Then shift derivative. Then input the velocity equation with respect to time. So that is 32 plus t. So t is x. So alpha x plus 60 squared. So plus 6 alpha x squared. Then we are going to get the acceleration at time 3 seconds. So let x as 3. Then just press equals. So we have the instantaneous acceleration at time 3 seconds, which is 37 meters per second squared. So let's proceed to problem number 2. Determine the initial velocity of a particle whose curvilinear motion is represented by the equation s is equal to 20t plus 4t squared minus 3t cubed. To solve this problem, first, let's discuss some basic concept. The instantaneous velocity is the derivative of position s with respect to time. Using Casio fx570 plus 2nd edition, we can solve for the derivative of position s with respect to time. So at initial velocity, our analysis is that time is equal to 0. So substitute the position equation from the problem. So first step, press mode 1. Then shift derivative. Then input the expression, then press equals. So that is 20 t. So t is designated as x, so alpha x. Then we have 4t squared plus 4 alpha x squared. Then we have minus 3t cubed, so that is minus 3 alpha x cubed. Then we will input the value for our time, which is x, so that is 0 at initial velocity. Then press equal. So therefore, we have the initial velocity as 20 meters per second. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned on how to utilize your Casio fx570 Plus 2nd edition. See you on our next videos.